In this video, we're going to talk about the Cami extension. Cami allows you to edit PDFs inside the Chrome browser via an extension. First thing we want to do is just type in Cami extension, and the first link here will take us to the Chrome Web Store, and we'll just click Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and it will install automatically. So let's go ahead and open it. So we want to log in with Google. And we want to just go ahead and click allow for everything. And the first time you do it, you'll have to sign up. So we'll do K through 12 school, and we'll go ahead and pick teacher. I don't know. I'll go ahead and pick Mulvane High. And it looks like there's a little video you can watch. I'll just go ahead and hit continue. Okay. That's pretty much all you need to know as far as getting Cami installed and getting signed up. And we'll go over some details in the next video.